Now hey, what's going on YouTube? Aaron here with OMCOFFROAD. Welcome to our channel. What we go over here is our projects and builds that we're currently doing in the shop. And we also go over and review new and old products for OMCOFFROAD and things that are coming. So if you like what you see and you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button below, subscribe, and follow along. And we'll see what goes down. Stick around. You may like it. What's going on, guys? Today, Eleanor gets the Rancho 9000XL shocks. Stick around. You might enjoy this. Or not. Doesn't matter. Either or. I'm doing it. I'm getting rid of these white rockets. Yeah, that's right. I said white rockets. These are just your basic run-of-the-mill shit on the shelf. Yeah. They only do so good for so long. And we got a few other things we're going to be changing. Cutting a few things, removing a few items. As you can tell, Eleanor's been sitting for a little bit. Just did my MagnaFlow high flow cats. Gonna finish the rest of the exhaust. Finish getting her smog. Yes, that brings me to this. Remember after we did the electric fans and the new radiator setup and everything else on poor Eleanor here? Well, a couple months back, sitting here letting her warm up and idle in the driveway, the water pump decided it was going to blow itself apart. One of the weep holes decided to start peeling everywhere, so I had to order that. That's coming. We'll get that installed tomorrow. We'll get a smog and finish off a few other things. It's a little bit on the dirty side. Been sitting for a minute, so let's do this. One down, 3 to go. And we're setting ours at 2. Like it's off right. Alright, move along. We're going to call it a day. Got the front shocks in. Got them all installed, both sides. Got the rears done. Didn't video it all because I figured it would probably bore you guys. Another shock install. Imagine that. And then there's the rear shocks. Until next time, guys. Stay tuned.